Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use Textjoin function in Excel. So let's start. So here I show you different three ways to use the Textjoin in Excel. So let's start. So here you can see I have a address in different columns. So this address I'm going to join in one cell. Simply select the cell, use the is equal to and just enter Textjoin. Select the Textjoin functions. In delimiter, the first delimiters, use the double quote. After the double quote, use the space because of every word I want space when joined together. So again, use the double quote, use the comma, and after the comma, ignore empty. In ignore empty, there are two options: true for ignore empty cell, false for include empty cell. So I enter here the true. Use the comma and select the text those you want to join. So I just drag with the mouse and select it. Just bracket closed and enter. And here you can see the all selected text it joined here with space. Okay. Suppose I remove here the one cell. It means the selected range 1 is an empty cell. Here you can see the all other text is joined properly. Ignore this empty cell because I use here the true to ignore empty cell. You can see true for ignore empty cells. If I use here the false, you can say false include empty cells. So I used here the false and just enter and you can see the double space here showing. It means it's include the empty cell space also. Okay, so therefore you have to use here the true to ignore empty cells. Okay, so I select here the true and just enter and I just copy this Mumbai city and paste here. And the second way I just remove it, simply select the cell, go to the formulas tab in function library in insert function. Just click on the insert function and here the insert function dialog box is opening. In search for the function, just enter the text and click on the go and here the text is search. Here I select the Textjoin, click on OK and here the another dialog box is open the function argument for Textjoin. Now first option is a delimiter. So in delimiter I want space after the every word. Okay, so I give here the space. Okay, and press the tab for second option. Ignore empty. Here the default mention the true. It means ignore the empty cell. Okay, so I just tap and select the text here. Okay, click on this. Again, I show you. In text, just click on this arrow. Okay, after that, just select the range of the text those you want to join. Here you can see the B2 to F2 is selected range. Click on this arrow again. Here range is added. After that, just click on OK and that's it. Here you can see all text join with space. Okay. And the third way, I just remove it. And the third way, simply select the cell. Use the is equal to text join. So I just select here the text join and remove this bracket. I use here the backspace to remove the bracket and use here the shortcut key Control A. And here the function argument text join dialog box is open. First use the delimiter. So here I want space to add this sentence. So I give here the space. Use the tab. In ignore empty is default mentioned the true. Use the tab. Text select here. Just click on this arrow. Select the text range. You can see the B2 to F2. Click on this arrow again. And here the range selected just checked. And after that, just click on OK. And that's it. You can see all text join with the space. Simply drag with the mouse below the cell and here you can see all text join with the space. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.